I'm coming to get ya, Vaco. Get back here, Vaco. What's she doing now? She put a log in the sand? Ooh! That's what you're gonna get for catching that blue cow. Treelo, we need a helicopter. Where? We can slingshot. To get a helicopter, you hold the rubber and then pull hard. Farther. Hold still. Hold on to the log. 1, 2, 3. It didn't make it to the helicopter. Are you okay, Vaco? I'm okay, Treelo. Come on, Treelo. I'm coming, Vaco. Get ready. Turn the helicopter on, Vaco. Now, we're flying on a helicopter. I see Willa going to play in the water. She is swimming. I see. Gotcha, Vaco. Now to grab these horses. Hey, stop! Treelo, no! No! Willa, do you see that? It's a helicopter. He's falling down from the sky. Hold on, Vaco. Our helicopter exploded.